Come get Papa, Kendra.
Got Dora.
He's got Dora over here.
Go get him. Go get him.
Come on, come and get Dora. You come and push her. Come on, come here. Come on, you can come over here. Come on. Come on, right over here. Door. You betcha. You could come and get. Now stop. Let go. There you go. Good.
Good
girl.
job.
Good
Push
job.
Dora.
Can you push Dora now?
Push. Say it that way.
We got Dora. Now what? You want Grandpa Dora go down here? Can you come down with Grandpa down here? Kendra?
Go get Grandpa, Kendra.
Come here. Big truck. Big truck.
Yeah.
Kendra. Can you come down here by Grandpa? That's good. Turn around. Okay, now come to Grandpa. Come on.
Push.
You got to turn. Push.
Go get him.
Girl.
Good job.
Good job. Come on.
Good job.
Straighten out. Okay, let's stop. You better stop. Don't run over Dora and Grandpa. Can you stop? Good girl.
Good job, Kendra.
Good. Come to see Grandpa again.
Go get him.
Come on. This way. This way. Good. Come on, this way. Okay. There you go. All over. Come on, follow me up the driveway. Here we go. You come get me?
Good job, Kendra.
Come get me. Come on. Yeah, come on.
Go get Papa. Get him.
Yeah.
Go get him.
Where you going now?